Alright, welcome back. I got a really big impact. I'm gonna start doing the suspension, I guess, everything. So, subframe, all that. I'm gonna try to get as much off as I can before I lose daylight. A lot of this is gonna be more than likely finished in the morning, but we're gonna start first because actually what I need to do is I need to take off the wheels. However, I think some of these lugs are different than some of the ones in the back here. There's a couple weird ones. Well, that's not even on. Cool. Oh, there's not even a lug on that one. However, I have this really awesome key lug kit. Tells you which ones they are too. I think the one I'm looking for here is not that. Might be that one. I think it's this one that's in my hand. Let me check. Yep, that's the right key for it. I don't remember where I bought this kit, but it's definitely nice. So there's that. This tire's flat already. I think this wheel's fucked. Or maybe it's not the wheel. Let's see here. Could be the tire. But this one's not holding air. I filled it up a couple times already and it's not holding air. I'm gonna take these tires off because I'm gonna be powder coating my wheels with, I don't think they're gonna fit in there. All right, the wheels are off, and you know, I don't think I ever mentioned that these already have a Z32 front end swap, or brake front end swap, I guess, which is pretty rad, except just kind of lays here, so we're gonna do better, that's for sure. But let me, oh my god, break my back here and get under. Take a look at everything here. Those are not even that boogered. Ball joints aren't that bad. Oh, the power steering leak. Okay, that's cool. Typical. Oh man. Let's see. Yep, that's leaking bad. Alright. Well, that confirms it. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to get a nut. Oh. That's bent to all shit. There's no way of getting power steering fluid with that. Yikes. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is not good. Okay, so no power steering fluid. OEM knuckles, so we'll be doing that. We'll be cutting the bump stop here. And doing the lower control arm extension and shortening the knuckle mod. New inner and outer tie rods. These look brand new fucking tie rods. Oh my god, I think they are because this is still loose. Alright, while I go through all of this, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, do all that fun stuff. Man, it sucks moving under here. Oh, I gotta take the e-brake out, that's right. And we doing more stuff. I'm not gonna do like a how-to, all of this. I'm almost certain most of you guys that watch the content, or watch 240 content for that matter, all already know how and what to do here as far as taking all this off. It's really a few bolts for everything, you know? So this is going to take the most time. I'm going to do a separate video for that fuel tank because if you watched my shorts, I posted a small video of what I found in the fuel tank. It's disgusting. So that will be a video in itself when we get to it. Now I'm told this is an open differential, so we're going to fix that. Don't know if we're going to do that in this video, but we are definitely going to be making a video for that, and I'll be showing you guys how to weld your differential if you got like a, you know, cheap welder at the house type of situation. Okay. See, I'm really not happy with how low it is in the back here. It's a lot higher in the front. Oh, I wish I made more money so I could buy a lift. Well, first I'd have to buy a house, but regardless. Oh, this sucks. That's gonna worm my way to the front. Oh boy. I apologize about any wind noise, but we have the front pretty much torn off here. I gotta get it off the lower control arm. We are going to be, not today in this video, but in another video, doing the lowering, shortening of the tie rod and extending the lower control arm. And then at the other side, in the rear here, we got everything off, the whole knuckle, all that stuff. That's all on the inside in the garage there. But now what we gotta do is we're going to get the axles out. I was gonna drop the subframe, both front and rear, and clean it up, but they're actually not in like terrible condition, to be honest. Thought they were gonna be way dirtier. Most of these cars are, but it's actually pretty good. So I'm just gonna double check everything, wipe it down, clean it up like as is, and then kind of go from there. But it's really hard to film with my camera on my head like this, and do all this undercarriage work. So I'm just gonna knock this out, and well, we'll go from there. Here it's a little darker, but everything's still hooked up. Actually, before I disconnect this side, show you guys both the fully disconnected side and then the not disconnected side to kind of give you an idea what you got to work with. You got these arms, all 19s, 17s, stuff like that, the caliper and all that. We're going to be tearing all this out now. Be a fun time. Where's the crush washers?
The what?
Look.
Oh. You want it off?
No. Where's the crush washers? No.
What?
They're copper. They're right here.
Oh, I thought it was this.
Nope.
Oh, that's attached.
See?
Okay.
I don't need them, but just keep them with the bolt, or at least take them off.
Mother F.
And you need to pick that up, put it back together.
I'm doing it.
This is gonna be fun.
He's already doing it.
Okay.
How far?
Just a couple threads, you're good. Just so it doesn't go anywhere. Now, we won't ever lose that bolt, right? That's the goal. We don't want to lose bolts. Now, grab this. Pry that up on that. Like this.
See, it's so dark under here. I can't even see these things.
Yeah.
At all.
I don't even need, I could do this blind. I really could.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Now,
Jesus.
now you're gonna get the brake line, the parking brake line off. In order to do that, you need to wiggle that up and out.
Is it out of this?
Yes, wiggle it and then lift. Wiggle and lift. Don't wiggle, don't. There you go.
Oh, way easier. I was putting way too much effort in.
And then now you're gonna slide it forward. It's a hook, so you're gonna slide it forward out of the hook on the back side there. Hi, buddy.
Where'd you get that shirt?
Oh, my driver's shirt? That was when I went drifting at Park.
Where?
Pat's Acres.
Okay.
We drove by it like 4 times when we were visiting Kenny.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Damn.
Yeah, what the fuck is this? This is fucking stupid.
I really thought it was just me.
No.
I was like, I see it moving. I see what it needs to do. It's just literally not.
Here, we're gonna make this easier on ourselves. Don't look, Phil.
Fuck me.
Wrong one.
Ah.
You got it?
No, it's not.
You're on it. You're on the right
am
one.
I?
Yeah. Go.
Oh.
Turn. There you go.
Down?
Yeah.
It's too loose. It doesn't feel like it's on anything.
It's on. Just keep going.
You sure?
I swear. I promise you. You just keep going.
Literally nothing's happening.
A lot's happening actually right now. You're taking the bolt off.
I hear the clicking. You're good. Clicking is good.
Really? I swear, I feel like nothing's happening.
Babe, there's a lot happening. Oh, no. Whoops.
You have to drive it back in now?
No.
Okay.
She almost got to that point.
Okay.
Was hitting the control arm.
Yep.
I made that mistake a lot.
Fuck.
Oh, that's rite of passage right there.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna let you go to town, and I'll check on you in a minute. But you're gonna take all these bolts that I sprayed down. You're gonna take them out. Everything's a 17 and a 19. Yep. No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
I got it.
Sweet. See you in an hour. Okay.
All right, you got it?
I don't even know what I'm doing.
The big one.
What are you?
Big one.
Oh.
Put it on. Here. Put it on first.
Yeah.
Put it on first.
You're teaching me.
Oh, shit. Drop the mic. All right, now make sure you're on the right setting before you just gun-ho it. Remember the arrow pointing back towards you?
The fuck's the arrow?
Same as any Milwaukee. Same as any Milwaukee.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Now, you're going to press the trigger. Don't stop. Just hold it and push. Push in and hold it. Pull out. There you go.
That's all.
Ow, bitch. Jesus.
Yeah, maybe.
Or am I just being a little kid?
No, it's on there.
Really no.
Yeah, it's on there pretty good. Hold on.
Oh, shit balls.
Yep, now. Now you fucking manhandle that shit. Alright, now get that cotter pin off. It is pretty fun to watch because it reminds me
When we were first doing
when I was first doing it. It really is like totally
Yes, this is how our dads taught us. 100%.
well, not mine. I self learned.
Hey, pull that. Okay, how do I do it? Figure the fuck out.
Figure it out. Now, you can use a hammer and other tools like the flathead to, you see how it has a hole right here? You just kind of get a little bit of leverage in there. So like David's little tiny, it's not strong enough, but
No, it's bending too much.
But what we can do is kind of twist.
Oh, did it break?
No.
Oh, nice. We're getting there.
Yep. And you just kind of get in.
Nice.
There we go. Now, where's my big one?
Okay.
And it's up. You gotta hit it way harder. Harder. You want me to give it a whack?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Got it.
Nice.
Good job.
What the fuck?
That's exactly what we
Oh, no.
Where'd it go?
In here. It fell in there.
Oh, god damn it. Rookie mistake. Now you get a fish for it.
Stop it.
Oh, no, that's going to keep happening.
Now you just gotta get the rest of those arms off.
Fucking hell.
Yep. Anyways, while she finishes doing that, I'm gonna move back over here and get these off, get the front end disconnected, because I need to get these knuckles off now. Now that, well, baby boy is back asleep, but well, we gotta get him off. Hi, Lulu. It is like 90 freaking degrees out. It is really hot. We got the fuel tank out. We got everything out, really. Y'all can see the car. I'll walk around the car here, but we got everything out. The front, everything out in the rear except the differential. We're actually gonna get that right now. I got the fuel tank out because I had to clean that, which is a bummer. And then we'll be taking e-brake completely out of here because we're not gonna use it for the setup we're gonna do. Probably gonna do an inline hydro. I want to do a dual caliber rear setup, but unfortunately I'm not made of money. So, and I don't want to wait forever just to be able to get all of that. I'm gonna do the differential real quick. Actually, before I end the video here, I do want to show you guys that the differential is actually a LSD. You might not be able to see it, but you spin both sides here, both sides spin together, and if you grab it and twist, it's very difficult. It's actually an LSD. I don't know what it's out of. I was told an S14, but I didn't know S14s came with LSDs. So I'm gonna get that out. But first, I wanna go through kind of with what we got going on here. So we got all the rear suspension right here. This side is driver's side, this side is passenger side. And well, a lot of this we're not gonna use. All the control arms, all the arms, I guess. We're gonna be getting adjustable. We're gonna be getting different struts and whatnot. We're gonna be getting coilovers, I guess. Apparently these are really good. I looked them up. What are they? They're KYBs. I know that, but I'm not gonna use them. Power steering rack. We're probably gonna get a new one. We'll keep it pretty basic. We won't go too hardcore onto it. We'll get all the suspension and everything done before we move on to the motor here. This is gonna take me another like good weekend. And then we have all the other parts here. This is the front, same as that side. This side's passenger, this side's driver's side. We have the rear brakes, which is OEM. We have the front brakes, which is Z32s, the hubs, all that fun stuff. These are actually pretty good. We will be powder coating the fronts. I don't know about the rears. Might just paint them. I don't know. We will be modifying the front knuckles here. We'll be cutting right about here to about here and shortening it and adding about 25 to 30 millimeters on the lower control arms down there. And then we'll be doing different tie rods. That way our acronym angle is squared away and all that for doing that sort of modification. The idea for the next video is, since the car is fully disassembled, all the suspension, everything like that, it ain't gonna move for a while. It's gonna take me quite some time to collect everything that I need. We'll do like the body work and the paint and everything then. So we'll be moving on finally to doing the body work. So make sure you guys subscribe for the channel for that. Comment below, share with your friends, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye bye.